In this video, we'll show you how to render videos in 3D Changer. Go to Camera in the bottom menu and open the Video tab. You'll see a small video preview. The preview will start when you click the play button or move the slider on the timeline. Below, you'll find saved video presets. Each sequence can be edited. Go to Edit. Here, you can change the frame size, for example, to portrait or story. Increasing zoom makes the view tighter, while increasing arm length moves the camera further away. For a blurry background, toggle depth of field and set the aperture to lower numbers. If you want to control where the focus lies, you can enable the manual focus option. To adjust the camera position, you can change the settings for roll, pitch, and yaw. If you want to do more advanced changes, expand the target position. Toggle target visibility. This will add a blue dot marking the center point of the camera. Don't forget to hide it before you start rendering. Now, enable target position. You can now freely edit the camera position or rotation on the X, Y, or Z axes. If you want to revert your changes, disable target position and right-click on the car. Now go to Output. Set the resolution and frame rate. Keep in mind that your GPU has a big impact on video rendering. Higher values require more power. Select your preferred format, set the save path, and enter a video name. Then click the Export Video button. Rendering will take some time, depending on the resolution you set. When rendering is complete, click the folder icon, which will open the folder with your video. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to contact us. You'll find our email in the description. Thanks for watching.